Navigation Helm's Order.
Chapter 5 Navigation Helm Orders. A ship's steering wheel is called a helm. To turn a vessel to the left or right, the helm is turned to port or starboard respectively.
शिप के स्टीयरिंग व्हील को बोलते हैं हेल्म्स. शिप को टर्न करने के लिए राइट या लेफ्ट, स्टारबोर्ड या पोर्ट रिस्पेक्टिव.
When the helm is on 0 degree, it is said to be amidships.
जब हेल्म 0 डिग्री पे होता है उसको बोलते हैं एडमिडशिप.
A helm turned fully to either port or starboard is said to be hard a port or hard a starboard.
जब हेल्म फुल्ली टर्न होता है पोर्ट या फिर स्टारबोर्ड के साइड तो उसको बोलते हैं हार्ड पोर्ट या फिर हार्ड स्टारबोर्ड.
To avoid mistakes, whenever a watchkeeping officer or the master or a pilot gives a helm order, the helmsman should repeat the order loud and clear and correctly take the necessary action, and upon completing the action he should again loud, clear and correctly report about the action taken to the officer who had ordered the helm.
कोई गलती ना हो उसके लिए वॉच कीपर ऑफिसर जो ऑर्डर बोलते हैं उसे रिपीट करना चाहिए, जो या फिर मास्टर बोलते हैं या फिर पायलट बोलते हैं तो हेल्म्स ऑर्डर को रिपीट करना चाहिए ताकि वो कोई गलती ना हो शिप स्टेयर करने के टाइम पे, और वो ऑर्डर जो होना चाहिए वो क्लियर होना चाहिए, लाउड होना चाहिए और वो एक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए.
If the order is given port or port easy or port 5.
Port or port easy, port 5, sir.
Then the action should be taken. Turn the helm to port till both the helm angle and the rudder angle indicators show 5 degrees to port.
Again report helm wheel on port 5, sir.
Then again, if the order is given port 20.
Repeat port 20, sir.
Then the action should be taken. Turn the helm to port till both the helm angle and the rudder angle indicators show 20 degrees to port.
Report again that helm wheel on port 20, sir.
Then after that, if the order is given hard a port.
Repeat again hard a port, sir.
Then the action should be taken. Turn the helm fully to port till both the helm and the rudder angle indicators show maximum degrees to port.
Again report helm wheel had a port, sir.
Then another order is given east to 10.
Repeat again east the wheel to 10, sir.
Then the action should be taken. Reduce the helm angle to 10 degrees.
Report again helm on the new angle with side, sir.
Next order is given midship.
Again repeat midship, sir.
Then the action should be taken. Turn the helm till both the helm angle indicator and the rudder angle indicator indicate 0 degrees.
Again repeat helm on midship, sir.
Another order is given steady or steady as she goes.
Repeat the helm that steer or steer as she goes, sir.
Then the action should be taken. When using the compass, observe the course on the compass and keep the vessel steady on that course. When using a landmark, steady the vessel in line with the landmark.
Again report the course on which you have steady the vessel. Example, steady on 45 degrees, sir.
Another order is given nothing to port.
Nothing to port, sir. Just repeat.
Then the action should be taken. Steer in such a way that the ship does not swing to port of the course being steered.
Again order.
Then another order is given finished with the wheel or helm.
Repeat finish with the wheel or helm, sir.
Then the action should be taken. This order is given when the helm is no longer required, and only after repeating this order can the helmsman leave the helm.